What up, champs? Are you ready to start living your best life as a product manager? Well, then you need to go ahead and get your CCAF, otherwise known as the Claude Certified Architect Foundations. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about what the Claude Certified Architect Foundations is, how it relates to the Claude Partner Network, and how you can go ahead and do this with us because the market's moving extremely quickly. For starters, if you don't know who I am, my name is Rich. We basically help people transition into the best product manager jobs with the most awesome companies. And if you're a product manager and you do not know how to use Claude to the fullest, you are leaving so much money on the table, but that stops now. And it actually stops May 2026. I'm going to go out there and actually just scroll up on this email here. As of 4 days ago, which is May 14th, this video is recorded fresh. As you guys know, we bring it to you as fast as possible. As of May 14th, we were cleared for our initial review to join the Claude Partner Network, and we are approved to go ahead and move forward onto the path of partnership. If you don't know what the partnership entails, I'm going to sum it up for you this way. Claude has already invested about $100 million into the Claude Partner Network. Just in case you don't know what the benefits are, I drafted up an entire LinkedIn newsletter, which you can see in the description, and I've gone through all of the basic benefits of it, but it's just so much more than what it is that you can imagine. For starters here, you'll be getting vendor-backed credibility that hiring managers at AI native companies recognize immediately because passing this certification is no small feat. Secondly, you'll be getting early access to tools and capabilities before they reach the general public. So being part of this network gives you the best chance of getting access to something like Mythos or whatever new skills or tools that they have, because they want people to create content off of it. So think about like a few weeks ago, you had Claude Design or Claude Manage agents. You get access to all of these early tools. Sometimes you get access to it even in its beta version because they want to get your feedback as an end user of how do you like it, what should they do to improve it. So there's tons of benefits there because you'll get early access to tools, priority technical support, and direct access to Anthropic's engineering team, deep specialization in agentic workflows, career longevity, but most importantly of all, you'll also get something like you can be found by enterprise companies through Anthropic's own searchable directory. Anthropic is going to be launching their own services partner directory where enterprise buyers can go ahead and find you. So if you ever thought about generating a secondary income stream that might be your main income stream in the future through tech consulting or AI automation consulting, companies are going to be able to find you on the services partner directory that Claude is launching in June. So I'm going to skim over to this page here. You can watch this entire video where it says, welcome to the Claude Partner Academy, but they do say in the video. So I'm going to show you exactly what is it that they're saying here, and you'll understand why there is such a high degree of urgency.
Criteria and the path to core and beyond are all landing in the weeks ahead. But none of that is the reason to wait. The reason to start this week is simpler. The partners who put their best people into training now and put real skin in the game are the ones who will be ready when core opens up in June. Everyone else will be playing catch up.
So here's how to get moving today.
And we're talking about June 2026, which is right now.
Your registration.
So what do you need to go ahead and do? Well, for starters, I'm going to tell you just to participate, it's going to be pretty simple with us. If you want to go ahead and do it with us. For starters, you want to come into our free product management community, WAP. And as you can see here, it says join for free. I know how much you guys love free. And we basically set it up for this very purpose on top of keeping you guys up to the latest and greatest. If you cannot find this link in the description, all you got to do is go back into the YouTube channel where the description is right here. And you can see right underneath schedule a consultation with us, you have the WAP community right here. And you just click that. WAP.com, Awaken-AI, product management community. Very, very, very simple. If you really can't find it beyond that, come and ping me on LinkedIn. I am not difficult to go ahead and find. As you can see from a list of some of the names below, I've been getting blown up nonstop with this. Once you're here, because we're going to be doing it live with you guys, I actually have people started already over the weekend, this is actually the partner network. There are 4 modules for you to go ahead and actually pass. Doesn't cost you anything. Introduction to agent skills, building with Claude API, introduction to model context protocol, Claude code in action. You're going to have this, and you're going to come down here. With introduction to AI agents, there are 6 lessons for you to complete. With building with Claude API, there's 85 lessons. A lot of people are currently stuck on this right now. With introduction to model context protocol, which is MCP, there's 14 lessons. And then with Claude Code in Action, there are 21 lessons. After which, once you're done here, and I'm just going to go out there and be clear. The first one here, which is introduction to agent skills, which I've listed everything in the actual, for some of you are probably going to be getting this via a newsletter. I've listed all of these links, but this is actually why you want to come into our WAP community, because we have teams right now of people that are just freaking gobbling all of this up. With the introduction to AI agents, this one's pretty simple. It's only 6 lessons right here, and you just click on any one of these guys, and you're just going to go through the curriculum, very basic. But I know some people, they're not going to have a problem with introduction to AI agents skills. What they're going to have a problem with right here is actually 85 lessons. Each and every one of these lessons have a quiz at the end. As you can see here, quiz, 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 quiz. Once you're actually done with the quiz, then you move on here, and it's the same thing. You got some additional stuff that you got to work on for MCP, and then you move on to Claude Code in Action. And then once you basically have all 4 of them done, now you can actually register for the exam. The exam does have a guide, and inside the guide, it is no joke. This is 40 pages worth of material here. It's a lot. It's 40 pages worth of material. And I'm going to scroll all the way down here. You can download this guide. We already have it inside of the community for you to go ahead and access to it. But this is a 120-minute, so 2-hour exam, 60 multiple choice questions, end to end, no external resources or breaks. You're going to get your score within 2 days, and I also want you to understand something. We're taking this very seriously, so we're going to have practice exams in here because a lot of people ask, like, do I get a badge? Yeah, you do get a badge. But here's the more important thing here. You only get 1 attempt. You only get 1 attempt. You get 1 shot. You don't want to fail. So we will also be administering practice exams in there. So you guys do not take a hit. Because I don't even know how the hell that's even possible. Because I don't think they're going to make it that simple where like you could just take it one time and pass. What's going to happen to the people that take it and they haven't passed yet, right? But you want to get this done because it's May 18th right now at the time of the recording of this video. The portal is opening up in June. They are known to, Anthropic has been known to move extremely quickly. So you want to do this quickly as well. Come in, okay, get yourself situated. We have a chat group that's already dedicated in here. And the next thing is you don't want to wait on this. Why don't you want to wait on this? Well, why would you want to wait on this for starters? But if you read all of the documentation, it does say very clearly that there will be, well, they say they may and can possibly be new additional requirements to go out there and basically raise the barrier of entry for people to be able to break in. We don't want that for you. If you think this is overkill right now, chomping down 85 lessons, I don't think you're going to want to know what's going to happen next. So you want to get grandfathered in as early as possible. At least you're in. And to get in this early in the game is going to have a huge benefit for you because all the people that are going to be on that services directory, this is what I anticipate happening. There's probably going to be, that's the search directory or the portal that they're talking about. There's probably going to be some kind of rating system. There's probably going to be some date attached to people's names and how long they've been on there. And then people that are looking for service providers and consultants, they're probably going to be weighing like who has the most reviews. If you're getting there early right now because nobody has reviews yet, everybody's on an equal playing field. That means it's the best time for you to go out there and aggregate all of that social proof. So while other people are playing catch up, you're already there. And then you know, this is like Upwork and Fiverr all over again. Essentially, it's a marketplace for talent, right? You can position yourself as basically on the forefront. The other thing here is they're also going to be dedicating some support to this as well, where you're going to have sales playbooks that are used by their own go-to marketing team and other co-marketing documentation, and they're going to be helping you out. So like, you want to get on this because the people that get on it first are going to have the most direct access and most likely direct interaction with the team over there at Anthropic. So if you know people on a first name basis like us, and you say, hey, Rich, it's going to be very different than, you know, you're waiting like a month, 2 or 3 months later, and people don't know who it is that you are. So we will see you in the online community. Let's go ahead and actually get this. We're trying to make sure nobody gets left behind, because the hottest certification to put on your resume, whether you're a product manager or somebody working in tech, is going to be the CCAF. I cannot imagine anybody that's working right now in the professional services realm that isn't using Claude. I mean, it's just the most productive AI tool that's ever been created, and it's only getting better and better, and the market's only moving faster and faster. If you have any questions at all, please get into the online community. Don't wait up. See, I got another person that just pinged me down here, but reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm already getting blown up out here, so get in early and often. We will be having live trainings throughout the week. You want to get in and just dive in on this. Talk to you very soon.